In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make images move in CapCut. We're going to walk through a simple way to turn static pictures into smooth, animated clips that feel much more dynamic and professional. You can follow along on either mobile or desktop, since the tools are very similar. First, open CapCut and create a new project. On the main screen, tap or click to start a new project, then choose the photos you want to animate from your gallery or files. Once you've selected them, import them into your timeline. Each image will appear as a separate clip on the main track. Before we start moving anything, adjust the duration of each image so it stays on screen for the right amount of time. You can do this by selecting a photo on the timeline and dragging its edge to make it shorter or longer. Think about the pace of your video or the beat of any background music you're using as you do this. Now, to actually make the images move, we'll use keyframe animation. Select the first image on the timeline so it appears in the preview window. Position the playhead at the very start of that clip. In the preview, pinch and drag the image to set your starting position, scale, or rotation. For example, you might start zoomed in on one area of the photo or slightly off to one side. Once you have your starting look, add a keyframe. On most versions of CapCut, you'll see a small diamond-shaped icon near the timeline controls. Tap or click that to set the first keyframe. This tells CapCut, at this exact moment, the image should look like this. Next, move the playhead further along within the same image clip, near the end of where you want the movement to finish. Now change the position, size, or rotation of the image in the preview. Maybe you zoom out to reveal the full photo, or pan across from left to right. As soon as you change it, CapCut automatically creates another keyframe at this new point. Play back the clip and you'll see the image smoothly transition from the first keyframe to the second. That's your motion. You can adjust the timing by moving the keyframes closer together for faster movement, or further apart for a slower, more cinematic effect. Repeat this process for each image you want to animate. You can combine subtle zooms, pans, and rotations to create a polished Ken Burns style effect. When you're happy with everything, preview the whole video, make minor tweaks if needed, then export your project and save or share it wherever you like.